Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about Lagopthalmos. It is inability to fully close eyelids and protect the cornea from drying and from trauma. Basically, when an animal is not being able to close the eyelid, definitely the cornea is going to get dry, and the cornea is at high risk for any trauma. Like if the dog is walking through the grass might stuck into its eye and cause damage, or if the wind is blowing and animal cannot close its eye, the dust particles can go into the eye and cause trauma. What are the causes for legophthalmos? Basically, number one is extremely shallow orbits. Basically, this is situation seen in brachycephalic breeds. As you can see, the skull of a brachycephalic breed, it is a shallow one. But when you see the dolichocephalic dogs, the the orbit is not shallow. So, in brachycephalic breeds, just like this dog, you can see has legophthalmos issue most commonly. Next thing is exophthalmos, that due to any space occupying orbital ligand. Just like you can see, you can like the one situation we have with us is the abscess that forms under the eyeball. So that will push the eyeball towards the outside, and because of that, the eyelids are unable to closely cover fully close the eyeball. Next is facial nerve paralysis. Definitely, it will not, because of that paralysis, the eyelids are not being able to be closed and the eyes are going to remain open. Next thing is ectropion. We have discussed this in the topic of ectropion, that there is outward movement, or like the eyelids move away or outwards from the globe, and because of that there is inability to fully close the eyelids. What are the clinical signs are going to be like corneal scarring, pigmentation, or any ulceration that can happen. You can see these dogs, they have legophthalmos issues because they are brachycephalic breeds. What is this treatment? Treatment is correcting the inciting cause, just like I've told you, if there is any abscess like that. So you have to treat those situations. Next thing is frequent topical lubrication with gels or ointments, because if animal is not being able to close the eye, there is a high chance for the eye to get dry. So you have to keep the cornea lubricated and wet. So for that, you have to add gels and ointments. Next thing is surgical bleharoplasty to decrease the eyelid opening. Bleharoplasty is basically a surgical procedure to correct the abnormalities of the eyelids. What we do, we can perform a bleharoplasty type of surgery where, depending upon breed or cause, we do the shortening of medial or lateral canthus of the eye, just like this. This is the whole eyelid. So if we will cut this portion and stitch this, so more, the eyelid will cover eye more. So that is what this surgery, the purpose of this surgery is. Medial or lateral canthus of eye, uh, its shortening is being performed. One more thing is that excessive nasal skin folds or facial hair may aggravate the damage caused by legophthalmos. Just like in Shih Tzus, we know, if we have or like sharp eye, they have also like skin folds, many skin folds. So what happens in these animals, that either the excessive skin folds or the excessive facial hair, just like you can see this image, these hairs start to penetrate in the eye, and you already have an issue of legophthalmos, and then there is excessive nasal skin fold and the hair on that, they will cause more damage or like ulceration or anything like that issues. So for that, we also have like surgeries where we cut these excessive nasal folds to decrease the situation, or you have to do the grooming of the animal by cutting these hairs so that they do not penetrate inside the eye. So this is all about legophthalmos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much and best of luck for your preparation.